Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to use ClipDrop in 2021. It's a really cool and innovative app and you enjoy using it. So let's start. First, what you have to do is download the ClipDrop app on your phone and on another device, for example a laptop or a PC. And the idea is you can take photos of objects and move them directly to your PC or laptop and use them as PNG items. So let's do an example. Now let's open the ClipDrop app and just know that you have only 10 clips before you have to pay for the premium version of the app, and you have only 10 clips. So let's use one now. For example, let's say we want to take a picture of our mouse. Let's take a picture of it. You have to wait a couple of seconds and now it's selected. Pretty cool. So now we have to move it to another device you have and we can drop it. Now for this you have to have the ClipDrop app installed on the other device, and let's click drop. Now it's sending and here is the item. It's pretty cool. You can use it wherever you want now, and that's the idea of the app. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like and comment down below if you have any more questions. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.